Good morning, folks. Welcome back. It's Remembrance Day, but I know that that's not a huge deal in America and other parts of the world. It's a stat holiday in British Columbia, but I'm here and I think it'd be fun to make a stream. So here I am. Yeah, so I did a bit of a dive into playing with some of the more entertaining aspects of Cablerator last weekend, and I just kind of wanted to use it to maybe make some stuff today. So we're going to do a robot and an environment, and then we're going to try to do it with a little bit more tubes this time, I think. Let's see how it goes. It's not new stuff, but it's just things I wasn't aware of. You're being a pain. Come on. Close area. There we go. Sometimes it doesn't want to load the first time for some reason. Okay. Let's grab a base mesh. Something fun to play with. I want to do somebody, again, maybe small. Don't want this big head, but just seeing what we see. Somebody that feels small, right? Oh, that's a character. That'd be fun if it was posed straight. It's actually kind of neat. Go in another direction, do that. Yeah, let's do that. I don't know. Change my mind. Pull this off to the side. And okay. Take the center. There's our character. It's kind of fun looking. We're going to play with it though. Okay, so S70. Okay, 2.26, a little taller than some of our other ones lately, but that'll be fine. Put it there, apply all transforms. Okay, and Alt-X, mirror it, and let's go to town. So the first thing I want to do is just delete these. I know, crazy, right? That seems cool. These side things I'm kind of into. This neck, I'm gonna delete that too. Okay. Other than that, how do we feel about it? Let's see. Take a center tummy, shrink it, but there we go. I mean, we could do the same thing there too, actually. Yeah, let's do that. Get rid of that too. So we got that. And let's save. New 24, 11, 11, 1. That's a lot of ones. Live stream. Cable joint static. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is, well, create these joints. Tab, we can come in here and Shift A, C, create a cable. And if we do Control and click, I think it puts it on the center. Yeah, it's not lining up exactly though, so let's undo that. Let's just manually do it, and then we can place it. One, create a cable, center a line there, and there. Tighten it in. We're actually going to warp it the other way, I think. Scale it out. Okay. Done. we want to be at X location of 0. And this might be a pain. As I think through this, this could be a pain. Oh, well. Let's take all these SY0. No, SX0. Yes, that straightens it up. Okay, cool. And then that should be right down the center then, right? Right? Yeah. Take that up, down. And again, let's just set them all SX0. So that should be straight down the center now. 3, cool. 1, yes. Let's just double check it. See if we mirror it. Pretty close. Certainly, we'll allow it. Okay, so then let's do it again with the head. Create cable here to here. Scale it in there. X location of 0. Y, tab A, Shift S, 2, or no, 1. There we go. Go to 3D cursor, SX0. Lines it all up. And we're right down the center. Cool. Cool. We can even take this now and bring it out a little bit if we want to. Maybe not quite that much. Go that way even. Yeah. All right. There we go. There's our cable. Now, this is where you start getting some cool stuff in Cablerator that I did not know about before. Let's go to kit ops and grab something cool from here. Like that. Or even that. That could be cool. And add the insert. And I'm going to scale it down to about there. Okay. I might need to scale it more later, but we'll see. Let's take it that one and this one. And edit. And then a DC, add a connector or a segment. Add a segment. There we go. Now, still a little large. Let's come back out, scale it, and a rotation scale. See a segment. Wrong object selected. Select this, tab, a segment, a. Where am I? Let's undo it. Come on. Tell I haven't done this a lot, right? Back. Before we do any of that stuff, there we go. Back to there. Let's take this thing down and scale it down a bit. Just right here. Rotation scale. Now that to this. Add a segment. And yeah, that'd be fine. A, C, and S. Take it to here. C, add more. Cool. Okay. F, we can rotate it. That's kind of neat. And good. Oh, God damn it. No. Do it again. Fine. Ah. Tab A. Edit segment. Array it. C. S. Shrink it in more. Good. There we go. Now, C. Edit cable. I'll just shrink it in. Edit cable. Just select just the cable. There we go. Edit cable. S to there. So we have some kind of funky, weird thing going up for that. Do we like it? It's okay. I don't know if I like that part though. We'll leave it for right now. We can always change it. But I think we're gonna have a different part for the neck. Let's use this one as we were thinking, or I'll find something that's got some like neat flanging outward a little bit. Yeah, I think this one's cool. Add insert. Let's just edit it. Tab and 3 X faces. X faces. X faces. Cool. And because I'm not going to 3D print it and I want to make sure it's solid, fill that. Okay. So that's our new piece. And scale it. Okay. Select that and this. Edit A. Add a segment. What? Did I select that in the wrong order? Yeah. Gotta have it selected too. This and then this. Tab A. Add a segment. Cool. A. C. S. Interesting. That's kind of cool. I can kind of be okay with it, I think. It's not exactly what I was looking for, but you know, if we stretch it out more or increase our count, add a bit more of that in. That's kind of neat. Okay, let's do it just on the grounds of we're playing. Good deal. And then the other thing I want to do, because I kind of can't stand looking at this, is, where am I looking? In viewport display, turn off names. And what else we got? Rocket. Now, is it in here? Here, rocket. Fine. Doesn't want to turn off now. Whatever. It's on. It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay. So that was pretty cool. Let's do a upper arm now the same way. Create a cable from here. This one we don't have to worry about being even, thank God. To here. Fun. Okay. And first thing we can do is let's grab this one. Bring it in. Sure. And that and this and tab and turn off the center one. Great. And add connections. Cool. T, scale our connections down to there. That looks pretty good. Cool. So that already is cooler and fun. Now, do we want to try to do something kind of, I don't know, what would we use? Kind of like that. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I'll just do it again. Add insert. There you are. Okay. Reactor core. And now again, turn off the name while I can. Scale it down. Control A, rotation scale. And tab. And tab DC. Add edit segment. Array. C. Can you scale this one? No. So let's undo. Let's take this, make this a little smaller. Okay, now let's take it. Segment, array, C, and cool. And come back into our cable and edit the cable and scale it down. And booyah, that's kind of neat. We get kind of, you know, some stuff like that. We could bring it in more. So we could, again, come here. Where's my cable? Great. Edit segment. Yes. No, I have to select this too. Yeah. And count, increase, and scale it kind of closer together. Makes it more kind of like a band like that. I have no idea. Don't care. It's an AMD chip, it's a couple years old. I have a 4090 video card. That's really the only important thing. Anything else I don't even really remember. Take it till about there. The 4090 card makes a big difference. The other stuff, less so. Okay, so let's do that. That looks like a good match, as it were. All right, and I'm just gonna again select all, object, convert to mesh. Now I should be able to delete that. Yeah. Okay. And mirror it that way. Cool. And this cable. And mirror it. I don't know if we still need it, but we'll keep it. There we go. That's a pretty fun way to make a more complex cable-like or pipe-like shape pretty fast. I think that works. I'm okay with this center spine thing too. I think that's all right. We'll go with it for today anyway. And okay, so let's jump into kind of taking this to the next step. Where's our bot? Miriam. And there we go. LP section, LP section, LP section, LP section. Excuse me. And sure. Great. So that's everything kind of split off now. The hands and the kneecaps are the same, but that's fine. Okay. And again, select everything. Cool. In random flow, turn off dynamic scale and plate insets. Take it to like 25. Cool. Let me go a little further out than that, but I like that one overall. Hey, chef. Good to see you, Sauter. Let's punch it out just a bit. Height seed. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Control 1, apply the subdiv, come back in, and L, select sharp, yep. L, 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 L. Woohoo! Here we go. That's, yeah, we'll leave that as a center thing. Up, cool, and L. I think that's good. That feels acceptable to me. Separate those out, grab them, Shift Q, panels. We're going to say 0.002, 0.001, and 0.002, maybe even 0.001 here. And radial, square, radial. Give me some more seed cuts, man. Come on, folks. Now let's add a cut, see if it gives us something. There we go. That's kind of fun. Yeah, that'll work. Nice paneling there. Cool. Delete the underlying part, and we just have that. Right. This one, same thing. Utility, plate insets, plating seed. Oh, I was going to add, although I liked it on the first one, but triangulate of 20. Just gives us a bit more funky. Okay, sure. Control 1, great. Apply, tab, L. Gotta find all the holes. Sometimes that's the hardest part. Where does it go? Inward. That's what we want. Not that one. That one. Yep. Is that all? I feel like that might be all. The rest look like they're going outward. Cool. P section. Select panels. Panel seed. We're going to add the 20% to these as well. Yeah. Cool. Save. It's been a little while. Okay. Cool. Let's do the forearms next. That's pretty cool. I like that. Let's do it. I keep just picking pretty much the first one, but I like it, so it's fine. And L, L, L. Okay. Yeah. Seems like about it. Those are the two blow up. Yep. Cool. Separate them out. Panels. Panel seed. Cool. I'm gonna just get something a bit more. Yeah, that looks good. And delete the underlying. Save again. Cool. Yeah, this is coming along nicely. Cool. Again, I just like it pretty much straight out the bat. That's fun. Control 1, apply it. Let's edit. And we want L, 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 L. Sure. No, we'll just leave that one empty. Maybe this one here. Yeah. Okay. P section. Gorgeous. There we go. Feels good, mate. Okay. We deleted the underlying, right? Yep, we did. Okay. Upper leg. I mean, shocking. We're going to do the same thing. Hey, Heresy. Good to see you. How you doing? Oh, yep. Cool. See, I just keep getting the first one. I'm like, yep, that looks good. I like it. I could be like, oh, I should play with this more. Maybe I could, but all right. We're going to be playing with more now. L, 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 L. Nice. Good to hear. Cool. Got all the component parts. It's all the things that stick in. Looks like. The other ones come out. Yep. Sure. P section. Mm-hmm. Then the lower leg. I don't know. We were playing with Cablerator to make some funky things with those arms and the neck and the spine, and we'll do a little bit more with the building too. It's kind of where I was starting with. Yeah, okay, sure. I was like, maybe I could make them a little smaller, but I like them that big. I don't think we'll see that much, but we'll grab it. Sure. Yeah, you know, could be either one. Why specify? Cool. Yes. Okay. Then the upper foot. This one I might shrink in a little bit. No, it's not sticking it out much. No, that's beautiful. Again, no notes. We could find other forms, but I find that form pleasing. So we're going to use it. Is that all the cut ins? There's one more. That seems good. Cool. P section. Cool. I think as normal, we'll leave the toes kind of alone, but we'll do the foot here. Yep, cool. Come in, see what we got. Just gonna solo this piece. It's hard to see where I'm at. L, L, L. This one too? Yeah. Yeah, it seems like that's the important ones. I'm not worrying about the bottom. Cool. So we are all the way up to the head now. I just want to see if I can turn this thing off. It's kind of driving me insane. There we go. Name, gone. Okay, the head. Yeah. Topology looks good for this. Plate and set. Let's take it to 50. Add a bit more. Oh, you know we like this. You know we do. Do we sharpen it? Yeah, sure. Okay, we sharpen it. Or I guess not sharpen it, subdiv it. That's the word I'm looking for. Yeah, me too. Like those are clearly going to be eyes. L, that's not going to be an eye. Cool. Excuse me. Yeah. No, not that. Okay, we do have to notice that does go all the way underneath there though. Okay, cool. So we will have to slightly edit the eyes, but that's not bad. Okay, P section. Yep, sure. Nice. Let's do these suckers next. Hello. Is it Pawar or Harsh? Or just Harsh Pawar, I guess. But good to see you. Let's take this back to 25 again. Maybe even less. 10. Yeah, 10 is good. That gives us some fun. Just like that's kind of fun. Let's see. If we take it size to 4 and max to 8. Yeah, that's better, I think. Sure. Control 1. Apply it. Tab. L. Yeah. Just solo this sucker. Make our life easier. The back side is all kind of one thing. I don't think we can. No, it is different. Sure. And maybe it's just those two parts, which is fine. P section. Cool. It's always nice. Thank you. Panels. Panel seed. Oh, yeah. Nice. Highly recommend learning Blender to anybody. That is looking badass. Let's come back to this guy here. And I think his eye is going to have to come from. I'm just going to solo it. there. QS mark. K3L. Yeah. I could add another cut if I wanted to. Do I want to? I mean, why not, right? Go from here to here. No, did it work? No. Let's solve that. Unsolve. It's going to, let's see, 2. Subdivide that. Yeah. Yes, to right there. Okay. Now can we go K and knife? Come on, let me knife tool this thing. 1. Okay, knife tool K from here. Why are you not applying it? Let me just see if it works better if I apply that and now knife tool it. Yeah, now it's working. Okay. Okay. L. There's our I. Cool. And inset just slightly. Yeah. And E. E and then GY. Let's take it straight back this time. To there. Yep. Okay. And then materials, add a new one, assign it. Let's go ahead and put the glow on his eye right now. It turned out cool. I'm liking this one. And then 2 fillet. Yep. And plus assign special. Yep. Glass. Add the material. And then we got to mirror it again because we unmirrored it, right? Yes. And let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Little happy chuckles. Okay. No, that's cool. I like this one. That's a nice looking face. It gives good face. Okay. So let's give it some solenoids because, it's kind of insect-like. So we'll give it something that looks like antennas, and that'll be just kind of fun. Go with the standard old ones we used before, the long ones. Yeah. Come on. That one. Add insert. Oh. Origin, scale it up. Local. Okay. 3. One. And let's just mirror it so we can see what it's going to look like. Yeah, I get better like that. Maybe out just a little bit, and maybe I will shrink it down just a little bit. And bring it in just a little bit. Cool. No, I think that's good. Lean into that bug look, because why not? And get rid of that freaking name, because it's annoying. Okay. And we can add some regular cables to it too, instead of these, apply to pawn cables, and I think that would be good. So let's jump in and do some of that. Create a cable from, where do we want to go? Here to here. Cool. And then from here to here. Cool. And then, I don't know, here to here. Sure. We got all these neat panels now to play with on the neck. Might as well use some of them. And then from here to here. Let's do that. Now let's try to simulate it so it hangs down a bit more. Yeah, cool. We could have just manually edited it, but you know, why not? That's fun. Create some more cables. That's even more fun. There to there. Where did that go? No, no. That's not where I wanted a cable to go. I want to go from. Oh, I bet you is it? No, it's good. It's like there's a face orientation off on it, but it's fine. Just must have badly selected someplace there to there. Yeah. Cool. I don't know if we'll notice it, but it's cool. And then we don't have a lot of tiny port side things this time, which is fine. Here to here, the small cable. Make it a bit bigger. It'll still fit there. Yeah, it's okay. Not so much on the arms this time. Then again, the arms are kind of giant cables, so it doesn't, you know, like we're getting some of that love in there. Hey, Patrick. Good morning to you, sir. And then here to, where do we want to go? Here. Sure. And then here to here. And let's also simulate that one. Yeah, no, I don't like it. Let's get rid of it. Okay. Couple more. From here to here. Yeah. And here to here. Yeah, that's cool. We could bring in one for our knee joint. It's always kind of a good idea if you can. Okay. Then back up to our arm. Anything we want to do up here? We can go from here to here. Cool. And from here to, we'll just jump straight into the hand. There. Oh, I didn't do the hand. Oh, curse you, Seth. Should be fine, but let's do the hand now then. Plate insets. Plates, keep it low as agreed. Yes, sure, that looks good. Good deal. That looks excellent. P section. There we go. Now we've done the hand too. Okay. So cables. Those are not cables anymore. They're called cable. Join them together. Mirror them along the head or any other center thing. Pretty good, sure enough. I don't know that we need more than that. I think that's good. Where are we at? 45? We're doing excellent. They look cool. Okay, let's materialize some stuff. Append. Stick with the same kind of colors we've been doing. I mean, sure. Armors. Select all, append. Okay, so do we make them classically black and red? I think that's going to be the coolest probably. Let's go with the plates being black this time and this being red this time. See how we feel about it. Yeah, I mean, we've done it before for sure, but you know, don't argue with success, right? Those. No. Those. Just grabbing all the panels. I probably will miss something, but you know, hey. Including the face panels, sure. Link materials. This headpiece, let's make it white, just because white is cool for heads. Makes them show up just well. And then this, let's make medium gray, just so it's a little different. This, okay. The gray we're gonna make black. I think that's like 90% of the whole thing, right? Like it says there's other colors, but I don't see them. Oh, there they are right at the lip. Whatever. You know, we're just gonna get rid of them. It's black. The neck is black. Okay. This thing. This one's a little more interesting because we do have two colors we could bounce off of each other, and then this is another color too. So we should probably, let's say where it's black here, maybe make it yellow. That's that. And then where it's aluminum, we'll make it black. Sure. And where it's proc spec that, we'll make it red. I don't know, we'll see too much of that, but a little there. Cool. Then this one will make aluminum, will make black. I'm just gonna delete this one, I don't care. Yeah, that's kind of neat. Okay. This one here, again, unused. I think we're just gonna make it black. Use that. And then the pipe underneath it, we could make yellow. Which I think means we're making all of these yellow, right? Cool. All right. And then we're gonna continue selecting these and making them all black. These things we could make gray. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. These should be black too. So we got enough gray that it feels like, yeah, we got multiple locations of that. We got the black and red. We need to deal with the antenna things here. We got two. I think where it's aluminum, we're gonna make it red. And where it's black, we're going to make it black. Nice. Cool. And then on this bad boy here, let's make it seam, yes, plus a sign and go with black. Feels very kind of like Yellow Jacket with this kind of thing going on, like a wasp thing going on, but quite cool. I think they look pretty aggro too, which is neat. All right, we like them. Select all, object, convert to mesh. Applies all of our mods, gets everything set up nice. And then join them all back together and it gets way dirtier and grimier and exactly the way we wanted. Yes. Yes, yes. And then we'll come over here and add a modifier, decimate it, 0.99. Yep, to get all the mesh interacting right with the converted curves, I think. And, oh, before we do that though, AM distance. There we go, remove, it's only 9,000 this time. And apply. And that, my friends, is the base model of our robot. So let's export save and export an OBJ for rigging. Come over to AccuView, AccuRig, AccuView, it's not context. AccuRig there. Select that sucker. There they are. For symmetry, rigs body. Nice. Okay. Wrists to the wrist. Elbow. That seems like a good place for an elbow. That seems like a fine place for that. Side view. Top of the neck. Base of the neck. Knees. I have to rotate. That's always a pain. Top of the foot, knee. Knee goes to here. Top of the foot goes to there. Side view, right? Yes, top of the foot. There we go. Our knee, you can bring it down just a little bit. There we go. That lines it up better. That's good there. That feels good there. Right. 5 fingers. Yep. Rig hands. 5 fingers. Ooh, excuse me. While it's doing that, select new collection, unrigged. And let's just delete inserts. Still loading the finger joints. Come on. There we go. Okay. It did a reasonably good job again. We can fix a few things. That to there. Line that up better. To take this, rotate it out, so it's more, yep, perpendicular like it's supposed to be. Center of joint, center of joint, center of joint, center of joint. Sure, finalize character. Okay. So we need to think about what kind of an environment we want here. I want to do something with some piping and cables because again, I'm kind of playing with Cablerator a bit today. I kind of want something like a room with a whole bunch of just pipes kind of coming around. Mesh cube. Okay, now S2 is a 4-meter room, still not very big. Probably good height though. S shift Z 2, SY 2. So we'll do a room like that. There we go. It came fast. They always walk funny with, but that's normal for, you know, a digitigrade. It probably should have one more joint than it does. The arms look great. And yeah, that feels excellent. Blender. Export. Rigged. Okay. And let's just move our cube into environment and turn it off right now. And F4, import FBX. There's our dude. Scale him back to the correct size. I don't have any kind of strong story plot for pose. So normally when I don't, I just go with something kind of idle. So just use this is the slightly turned sideways idle pose. Rococo, retargeting, source arm 1, target arm, build the bone list, retarget the animation. Hands are all squirrely, but we figured that was going to happen. Delete that hierarchy, clear the animation data, pose mode, hide the bones we're not using, go in front, local, yep, good deal, and rotate that out, rotate that out. It's actually not too bad this time. I can keep this straight too. I'm kind of okay with that. We could maybe turn that and that just a little bit. Object mode, turn off in front. Yeah, I'm down with that. I think that's an excellent pose. Grab him, fix the materials, black for black. Ah, what are you doing? Yes. Yellow for yellow, dark red, medium gray, white, white, eyeball cool emissive, glass frosted. We got rid of all the original ones this time. Cool. Nothing left over and weird. There they are. I love how like grimy these things all blend together once it's done. This is not pretty armor. Okay, the environment's back on, and that's our room if we're looking. Okay, so first thing tab and shift N, and we're gonna go inside. Change our normals. Okay, 3P section M new collection ceiling. So I can turn it off. Okay, so how do we want to handle this? Part of me wanted to just do it. Okay, no, I know what I'm gonna do. On extrude edges. No. Alt S, Shift Z. No? Oh, fine. No, I'll just do it this way. SC0. Great. Okay. So we got that. I think I need to apply the locations, rotation scale too, but we're gonna need to give it a door in a minute as well. But right now, mirrored or not mirrored? Let's leave it unmirrored. Okay. They see create a cable. I'm going to create one here to here. Scale it up. I'm not even sure we're really going to pay that much attention to anything above the rim. But, so we could do like that. But fine. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing we did with the other dude for these, for his body. So let's grab, not box cutter, here, this. I do large amounts of grass with geoscatter because otherwise it is a huge epic pain in the ass. Let's use this and add the insert. Geoscatter makes it super easy to do, and otherwise it is not super easy to do. So if I can just do that one. Add connectors. T, yes. And D, yes. Nice. So we want it like that. That's fun. Cool. Yeah, there is a built-in add-on I have never used in Blender called Scatter. So I can't speak to how well it works because I've never used it. But I know you can do scattering from a freebie, but Geoscatter is just such a good one that I just use it. Okay, so we like that. Now, let's see what other fun ones we want to bring in. I'm going to do this one. Great. Where'd it go? Where'd neural head go? Did I add the insert already? No. 100% add insert. Don't want to attach to anything. Add insert. There we go. And scaling it up just a bit, like to there. It and that. And tab A. Add a segment. Cool. Array. C. So we could just do like that and leave some cable in. So it curls kind of like that. That's not bad. Let's do that. I like that one. Okay. And yeah, I figured it was easy. Normally, those tools that are built in Blender are pretty straightforward. Sometimes they're not super powerful. Well, I mean, they're almost always powerful, but sometimes they're not as powerful as when you could pay for. Okay, I like that. That works. Let's actually take this, this, and this, and object, convert, mesh, and then join them together. Okay, cool. Q array. Like that. Yeah, those are fun. Right. And we can get rid of these. We don't need those at all. Then I suppose we should probably edit this. EZ3. Cool. That's good. We like that. And if we're going to do a door, we probably want to add one. Okay, X. There. Door. Save. Haven't done that in a while. Okay. Cool. Now, roughly cubicle. Yeah. Maybe 6. There we go. That's better. Yeah. And good deal. How long have I been doing this? I've been using Blender for about, what, 7 years? 6, 7 years, something like that. Yeah. How long have I been doing the stream? About a year and a half, a little longer. I don't know. Yeah. Let's not do the floor. So, Shift-G, coplanar, invert that. Maybe not do that piece too. Okay. Shift-Q, utility. Oh, and let's mirror it, since we are mirrored everything else. There we go. Plate insets. Subdivision 2. Depth. I'm gonna add some more to this bad boy. And we're gonna need to change our minimum to 2, maximum to say 4. Oh, and we need to increase our number of plates too, right? Yes, plates to 100. Now it's everywhere, and that's too far, which is what we thought, but that's why we do it. So we can adjust it, put it back, put it back, put it back, put it back, put it back to there. Nice. Okay. Then back again, and let's apply that mirror just so we can see what the hell we're doing, but mirror it again. There we go. And 3, we want to select this piece, and we want to select, yeah, maybe just that piece actually. And we can do this piece too. And that piece, and that piece. Sure. Yeah. Maybe not those three there. Or that one there. Let's just shift hide, see what we got. Yep, that's what we want. Well, it's actually not even what we want. Now, 3, shift G, normal, hide the other stuff. So that's what we want. Just the ones that are facing upward. Okay, and we're gonna do it again. Utility, plate inset, plating seed. We can give it a subdiv, which just gives us way crazy geometry, but it's not that bad. And maximum, like that. Sure. Seems fun. And yeah, we're doing well. A few more places to hang some cables, which is one of the things I wanted to do. Let's DC, create a new cable, and let's hang one from here to where? Here. Let's see how that goes. I don't know, but let's see how it goes. So we select this, and then we select the cable, and we simulate. Now we can fit the geometry below. I did not know you could do. That's one of the things I figured out this week. Yeah, and it should hang. We're not getting enough vertices for it to work. And it's going to cut into those, so we're not going to do this one. Okay, but we're going to do this idea. Let's do from here to here. And select the geometry, and then the cable. Simulate cable. Let's curve points multiplier 3. Yeah. Woohoo! See, it hangs now. So we can do some actual physical modeling, which is nice. Our ends are not working out for me the way I wanted to. Oh, and I know why. I think. Let's see. Got those two things. Selected this one. Tab. Now, simulate cable. And I think it will leave the original. Whoo, no, other way around. You select the ones you don't want it to do. Yeah, oh, no, it's still bending them out. All right, fine. We'll just edit it. It's fine. You try to be cool. What are you going to do? Yeah, I know. Is the other one. There we go. We're just going to edit it. It's still faster. No one cares, probably, but screw it. In fact, I think no one cares. Okay, but that's how you do that, which is neat. And we're just going to cheat. That's how we're going to care. Yeah. Woohoo! Cable. I don't use K cycles or anything like that. I just use straight cycles. But again, I have a 4090, so my card is sort of fast. It works. It does what it wants, what it's supposed to do. Other people, I could definitely see why you might want to. I just have never bothered. Let's draw a cable. I haven't done that in a while. Okay, that's just fun. Let's fill the caps. Make it a triple cable, oval cable, insulated cable, insulated 2 cable, double cable, double cable. That's fun. And then we can come into here and insulate it if we wanted to. There. It's too big though. Let's undo that. Insulate the cable. Width. Shrink it into like there. Cool. Maybe a little bit deeper. No, it's right. Q another. Cool. I could have done more, but that's fine. I'm gonna take the whole thing. I just think it'd be cooler now, maybe, if we have it coming out of the wall somehow like that. And how many samples do I render at? Normally for these scenes, 512. Often if I'm doing something like truly professional, I'll take it up to 2048. But it really depends on what you need. When you're doing fog, you don't need that. You need enough samples, but um, are you using denoise? How big are you making it? All that kind of stuff matters. I have found that for me, my render settings are 512. I normally, lately, have been setting these to all 16 for our max bounces, set transparency at 24, just in case. And then I've been going down in color management and setting it to base. And that's pretty much my go-to. So nothing, and then I do obviously use denoise. Nothing complicated though. Okay, I want to do another one. Create a cable from here to here. And what profile do we want? None, double, none, double. Now one wants to do two. None is what I wanted though. Twist method there. Width, shrink it in. Cool. And then this, simulate the cable. Let's keep giving it the multiplier and let's expand it a little bit longer. So it's going to run along the floor probably. Kind of what we want it to do anyway. Doesn't quite reach the floor, but it does touch that stuff. And that's fun. Okay. Yeah, no worries. Shift AC, edit the cable. I'm going to set my twist method, make sure it's, yeah, it doesn't really make different much. Bevel resolution V, can make this one higher. 16. Okay, and good deal. And we can just edit this here. I'm just going to take this, bring it up slightly, just to fix that. Okay. Cool. Cables everywhere. But I really like the cool thing is this, being able to do these, that was neat. I'm really into that. The other stuff is cool, but you can also combine cables, which is kind of cool as well. So you could draw them in multiple places and then connect them. Let's draw one more. See what this does. It doesn't, I was wondering, it doesn't handle self-intersection well. But let's see, A, tab A, C, helpers, drop the cable. No, we need to give it a surface too. Surface, this, C, helpers, drop the cable. It does drop it, but again, it doesn't do self-overlapping, which is too bad. All right, I wasn't sure. Get rid of it. But we can still create one or two more. Draw cable. Let's see. So it's going to hang like that. F, increase, smooth, H, curvature U, straight, interesting. No, that's fine though. And tab, just grab this one. Just a little bit of self-editing. Nothing wrong with that. Where are we at? Oh, come on. But there was one more here. Thought I had one more point. Whatever. I swear there was one more point. Wasn't there? Now we're just gonna do that instead. Okay. And tab and I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Gonna get rid of it. Go away. We tried. I just started picking up stuff. Honestly, how did I learn? Just by doing stuff, and then when I had a question, I'd watch a YouTube video, and then I'd do more stuff. um, no real amazing answer for that. It's just kind of I worked at it, which I know is not like the world's sexiest answer, but it's kind of true. Okay, I need a ceiling again. This one's gonna be too low. Let me just make it bring back up again. 1 GZ and there we go. Okay, there's our roof. So we have a roof, we have a thing. It's a pretty simple room, but you know, it's fine. We're just kind of playing today. All right, we need to materialize it. We need to add some lighting and maybe a few hanging cables too. Let's add the shading from random flow because it's good. And make this our flow panel soft UV, tab A, U, smart UV project, and see what it looks like. Yeah, cool. And we definitely need to fix those cables. I don't like them at all, but that's fine. Move on used materials. So proxy aluminum, I think that's this one, right? Yeah, that one should be, we'll make it yellow. Well, unless they're not going to be cables, like we want them to look more like pipes. We might want them to look more like pipes this time, but we don't want it to be that one. That's way too freaking shiny. Our flow metal. That's kind of interesting. Let's try one of my own, which is of course distressed hull. Everyone wants distressed hull. Yeah, distressed hull's better. Pipes. Check it in pipes, girl. Yeah. The black, maybe we go with distressed hull with chevs, see what we get. Yeah, that's kind of neat. Proxy spec, I think we just get rid of that one. And this one, we just get rid of it there. Yeah. Where's aluminum? What's still aluminum on this thing? It says there's something. I don't know what it is. It's going away. Oh, it's like a little ring. Actually, we could Ooh. Yeah. Little glowy lights. It's not a bad thing to do. Those look grimy as shit. I like it. This one we will make yellow because it's just a cable. This one also make yellow. These will make red. Actually, no, we won't. We'll join them together first, and we'll make them our flow cloth. And then we will UV edit them to make that kind of more red. Maybe a little less saturation. Yeah, cool. Cloth, and we'll just call it red so people know. People being, of course, me. So that gives us just some base lights there. This should also be yellow. Cool. I mean, I guess it can be any color we want it to be, really, but it's going to be yellow. How's that? Here, let's come back in and take a look, and yeah. Inset, individuals, cool. Normals in, it's going to be yellow. Glowy as well. And then our ceiling. Some may not even have fog. It may be one of the first ones we've done in a while that does not have fog. We should take a look and see what our lighting looks like now, though. Although fog is not a bad thing either. Quite dark. Okay. We should, just to make my life easier, something I'm a big fan of. Come here. What we got? Is there an edge, or is it just it's just a face? Okay. Oi! Hey, Michael. EY. We're coming out. We're coming out. All right. That's fun. Let's just apply this. There we go. Because that was looking weird. Okay. And tab and 3 and Shift G and coplanar for the floor. Shift Q, panels, panel seed. I don't care super much. I just want to get some panels into it, and that gets us some panels into it. So cool. And material wise, I'm also fine with leaving it soft UV, I think. Cool. And light. Camera is going to be Alexa 65. The lens is going to be the anamorphic, because it always is. Exposure 6. Yeah, okay. 6 seems good for right now. Resolution, that. I'm actually not sure about this hanging cable. I think I'm going to get rid of it. It's a neat idea, but it doesn't work for me. This, however, works quite well for me. I'm liking that. I wouldn't mind a little bit more light, and I wouldn't mind cooling it down a little. It's obviously very yellow right now. So, things we could do. What if we edit this bad boy here. Sharp. And I think we have it, yes. Cool, got those and those. And then out. Yeah, okay. And L. No. Undo, undo. 3. Gonna do it this way. I want those. Yes, that's what I want. That's all I want. We don't want individual this time though. Okay, and E, I'll take it down. And plus assign. It's either going to be cool or just straight white. Let's try cool first. Turn our ceiling back on. Set a camera up. Okay. Blue's kind of neat. Let's just see what happens with white. No, I like blue better. Oh, what do you? Come on. Okay, sure. And I lied. I think we're gonna put some fog in here, just to give it some haze that looks cool. I'm going to turn off looking at bones because it's hard to see what this guy's doing because of that. And easy fog, ground fog, just a straight God ray again. Why make it complicated? Okay. Okay. So that's us at 100% density. Let's maybe bring that down a little bit. 0.2. 0.2 works, usually does. It's kind of a nice. We're going to add a little bit of that green, which also help cool down our environment some. I think that's nice. Cool. It's a simple environment, but I'm liking it. And then we'll go look at compositing. And we're just going to set up, I know from experience, this is my compositing setup. I've gone over it before. I'll do it again later maybe, but I know from experience on this one, we want to take that to 75%. This bright back down to 1 to 0.1. This is kind of made more for an outdoor scene, and it doesn't do the same thing in this world. So we just kind of change it to what I want it to be. Layout and show compositor and camera, and it gets much darker. So we should probably want to bring our exposure down to 5 and set our focus on our guy, he's about 10 meters away actually, so it kind of wasn't much of a difference. This is a really straight on, obviously centered shot of our character, but the environment is so church-like with these pillars and this thing at the end that's not a bad thing. This cable here is kind of giving us something that's off-centered and a little bit strange, and I'm digging that. I think that's cool. Is it still a cable? Yes, it is still a cable. It's because we could then just do, wouldn't mind giving it a cap. Let's just go back to give it a cap. Again here, boop, 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 and I just like this one a lot. It's a cool thing. I want to unselect everything though, and add the insert. And I want to turn off its name's already turned off. Cool. It's like goddamn name. Okay, so let's see what that does with these with this double. It may or may not work. I don't know. See how smart it is. This tab, this one, Shift AC, add connector. Okay, so it does go both ways, but it covers both. That's fine. And we can flip the direction. Yes. And scale it down. So it's covering both, but that's fine. That works. I like that. And then we can offset it if we wanted to just a little bit to take it so it's a little flatter. So it's going right to the end of the thing. And yeah, nice. Let's do that. I think that's a positive for us. And materials on it. Remove unused. It's still got those two, black and gray. I think on this one, let's make it let's make it hull, distressed hull. And we'll make this one yellow armor. I don't think you see much of it, but let's look and see. Actually, you do, but that kind of works. No, I like that. Maybe not. Let's see. Change yellow armor to black armor. See if it's just a little too bright. Or even just go straight to distressed hull on everything. No. I kind of want to reverse them. Make this one black armor and this one distressed hull. Yeah. Interesting. And it kind of points right at us, which is odd, but it means looking at the shot, this cable is important. We don't know what it means, and we're not going to say, but this cable is important because it draws our attention with this circle really before we even see him. So just something to be aware of, but we're going to allow that cable to be important. How to install Maya. Take one's computer, throw it out the window, say Maya is installed, and move the fuck on. No. No, kidding. Not a Maya fan. Alrighty. I think we're good, folks. I have no problem with Maya. I just don't enjoy using it. I don't mind that it exists. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me today. So we did a little bit more with Cablerator. We showed how we can make these cool things around the cables. It's just an easier way to do the array and then curve modifier, but it's all built into Cablerator. We did some physical modeling in Cablerator, which I've never done before, and I like. I can get rid of this. Let's go away. And we made our guy, and we gave him the Cablerator arms, neck, and spine, and I'm pretty happy with him. Yeah, it was fun. I had a good time. I will be back again tomorrow, folks. If you're in a country that celebrates such things, enjoy Remembrance Day. I mean, enjoy is kind of a weird one for Remembrance Day, but you know what I mean. And otherwise, have a great rest of your day. Okay.